Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup from tomato paste. First, gather your ingredients. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 a small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add your finely diced 1/2 onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as this can make the soup bitter. This aromatic base is key to a rich, flavorful soup. Now, add the 6-ounce can of tomato paste to the saucepan and cook it for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This helps to deepen its flavor. Pour in 2 cups of broth and 1/2 cup of water, stirring until smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to combine beautifully. Finally, remove the soup from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream until fully incorporated. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra smooth texture, you can use an immersion blender. Serve hot with a sprinkle of fresh basil or a grilled cheese sandwich. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.